An Olympic athlete is a person who plays sports very well. They work hard every day to become better. Athletes want to be the best in their sport. The Olympics is a big event. Athletes from many places come to play. They all want to win. Each person does their best. To be an athlete is not easy. They need to train every day. They also eat healthy food and rest enough to feel good and ready. In this reading, you will learn about the day of an athlete. It is very busy with many things to do. They must stay focused every step of the way. You will see how they wake up, what they eat, and how they train. We will also see how they relax at night. Every part of the day matters. An athlete works hard all day. Their dream is to win. To reach this goal, they need to train well, eat good food, and rest when needed. Let us now look at the life of an athlete. Their day starts early in the morning and ends at night. They do many things to get better every day. Every step they take helps them grow. Even when things are hard, they keep going. They do not give up because they love what they do. Now let's start and learn more about what happens in a day. You will see how much work it takes to become strong and win. An Olympic athlete wakes up very early, usually at 6 a.m. They start early because they have many things to do during the day. The first thing they do is get out of bed and stretch. Stretching helps their body wake up. It also helps them feel ready for the day. After stretching, the athlete eats breakfast. Breakfast is very important. It gives the energy they need for all the work ahead. Athletes eat healthy food in the morning. Some good foods are eggs, toast, fruit, and yogurt. These foods give strength for the training. After eating, the athlete changes clothes. They wear sports clothes that help them move easily. They also wear good shoes for the workout. If they need special tools, they check that everything is ready. For example, a swimmer will need goggles, and a runner will need fast shoes. Before they start training, the athlete does warm-up exercises. They jog lightly or jump a little. These exercises keep their body safe. Warm-ups help prevent injuries. If athletes do not warm up, they might hurt their muscles. Warming up is very important for their safety. By 7:30 or 8 a.m., the athlete is ready for the first session of the day. They feel ready and excited to begin training. At 8 a.m., the athlete starts the first training session. This is a very important part of their day. They work hard to get better at their sport. Every athlete has a coach. The coach helps them train the right way. The coach shows them what to do and gives advice on how to improve. During training, athletes do many exercises. Some run fast to build speed. Others lift weights to get stronger or swim to move better. Training is hard, but it helps athletes grow. They try their best in every exercise. Even when it is hard, they keep going and do not stop. The athlete follows a plan. This plan tells them what exercises to do. It helps them stay on track and know what to focus on each day. They take small breaks to drink water. Water helps them stay strong and healthy. Athletes must drink often to stay hydrated during training. During practice, the coach gives advice. They might say, "Good job," or "Try again." The athlete listens and works hard to get better. Training lasts about 2 hours. Athletes feel tired. but they know it is worth it. Each small step helps them reach their goal one day. By 10 a.m., the session ends. Athletes feel happy because they tried their best. Now, it's time to rest and get ready for the next part of the day. After training, the athlete feels tired and hungry. Around 12 p.m., it is time for lunch. Lunch helps their body feel better and ready to work again. The athlete eats healthy food. Some good choices are chicken, rice, pasta, or vegetables. This food helps them stay strong for the next part of the day. Eating well is important for athletes. Good food helps their muscles grow. It also gives them energy to train again in the afternoon. After lunch, the athlete takes time to rest. Resting is very important for the body. It helps them feel calm and fresh for the next training session. The athlete might listen to music, read a book, or watch TV. These small breaks help their mind relax. A happy mind is just as important as a strong body. Sometimes the athlete takes a nap. A short nap of 20-30 minutes helps the body recover faster. It also gives them more energy for the afternoon. By 1:30 p.m., the athlete feels ready again. Rest is very helpful because it gives the body time to heal. Now they are ready for the second training session. Eating good food and resting well are key to becoming strong. Athletes know that both are needed to improve every day. Soon, it will be time to train again. Athletes stay focused on their goals. Every part of the day helps them become better step by step. At 2 p.m., the second training session begins. This session is as important as the first one. Now, the athlete works on special skills for their sport. For example, a swimmer practices their strokes. A runner works on speed. A basketball player tries new moves to improve their game. Each sport needs different skills. The athlete focuses on doing every movement correctly. They repeat the moves many times to get better. The coach gives advice during the session. They tell the athlete what to improve. Coaches say things like, "Try harder," or "Stay balanced." The athlete listens to the coach. They try to follow the advice, even when it is difficult. They know the advice will help them reach their goal. The athlete takes small breaks for water. Staying hydrated is very important, especially during long sessions. Water keeps the body strong and healthy. This session lasts about 2 hours. Athletes feel tired, but they do not stop. They know that hard work is needed to become the best. Even when it feels tough, the athlete keeps going. They tell themselves, "I can do this." Positive thinking helps them stay motivated. By 4 p.m., the session ends. The athlete feels proud of the hard work they did. Every small step brings them closer to their dream. After a long day of training, the athlete can finally relax. Around 6 p.m., it is time for dinner. Dinner helps the body recover from the hard work. Athletes eat healthy food, like fish, salad, or pasta. This food gives them energy and makes sure they feel strong for the next day's training. After dinner, the athlete has free time. They might watch TV, listen to music, or talk to friends. These moments help them feel happy and calm. Before going to bed, the athlete does light stretches. Stretching helps the muscles relax after a long day. It also keeps the body safe from injury. Athletes need enough sleep to feel good and strong. They go to bed early, around 9-10 p.m. A good night's sleep helps the body recover. When they sleep well, they wake up feeling fresh and full of energy. A new day will bring more training, but now it is time to rest. Athletes know that rest is just as important as training. Without rest, the body cannot grow stronger. Rest helps them feel ready to train again. Each day of training brings them closer to their dream. They know that working hard and resting well are both needed to succeed. The athlete feels proud of their work today. Tomorrow will be a new chance to grow, but for now, it is time to sleep and relax. Being an Olympic athlete is not easy. Every day is full of hard work. Athletes train, eat good food, and rest so their body can stay strong. They wake up early and practice for many hours. Even when things are hard, they keep going. They know every small step brings them closer to success. Athletes love what they do. They have big dreams and want to win. Their hard work shows us that success takes time and effort. The life of an athlete teaches us important lessons. If we work hard and stay focused, we can also reach our goals and make our dreams come true. Athletes show that with patience and dedication, we can do great things. They believe in themselves, and they never give up, no matter what. Every day is a chance to grow and get better. Athletes show us that hard work and belief in yourself can make anything possible.